Can I help you? How can I help you? What can I do for you? May I come in? May I sit here? Could you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you speak slowly? Do you understand? I don't understand. Please, listen to me. Wait a moment. Give me some time. What do you mean? What happened? What are you doing? Where are you going? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start. That's good. That's right. No problem. Don't worry. Be careful. Try again. Speak in English. Say it again. Tell me the truth. I will call you later. Please wait here. Come with me. Go there. Come here. Sit down. Stand up. Keep quiet. Listen carefully. Look at me. Follow me. I agree. I don't agree. That's enough. It's okay. Very good. Well done. Take care. See you later. Good luck. Nice to meet you.